Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're gonna do a little bit of a mini haul. So I recently got in a couple of things that I ordered off the Sephora website, and I also got in the second order to my ColourPop Zodiac collection that I didn't get the first time because it got sold out so quickly. So I got that order in as well. So if you'd like to see what I got in this little mini haul, then grab a snack, grab a bottle of water, and just keep on watching. So the first item, we're gonna go through the stuff that I got at Sephora. I'm not sure if I showed you guys this, but if I did, oh well. If you didn't and you're new to my channel, then you get to see it. So I am part of the Sephora, or excuse me, the Play by Sephora subscription box. So in that box you get 50 a play card that's 50 points. It's worth 50 points, I should say. And when you go to the store and you buy something, you give that card in and they scan it, and you get extra 50 points for your Beauty Insider points. Can't talk today right now. So I love ordering off Sephora because you get 3 deluxe samples, and sometimes when you spend a certain amount of money you get another sample. So I got a lot of stuff to show you guys. So when I was there, I wanted to redeem my my 50 points. I wanted to add them to my account, so I actually ended up buying this because I absolutely love Tarte. So they have this, and I'm all about the Tarte samples because Tarte is a little high-end and expensive, and I'm a drugstore girl, but I want to live in the high-end side sometimes, so I'm all about the samples. So this is the Tarte, doesn't really have a name. Oh, Clay Click Amazonian Clay Set. And that's this, and it comes with the Gifted Amazonian Clay Smart Mascara, which is this one. You have the Park Avenue Princess Amazonian Clay Bronzer, which is this one. I'm excited to try that. And then you have the Harmony Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush, which is this one. And I don't have this one, so I'm so happy to add it to my collection. So I got this, and this retails for $12. So I bought this to try out the products and also go ahead and add my 50 points to my account. So that was the first thing that I got. Then I went on the website and actually found a couple things that I wanted to try. So again, I tell you, I'm all about the samples, especially with high-end products, because a girl got 5 kids. I ain't got money to be spending like on high-end stuff. I'm a drugstore girl for right now. When YouTube decides that it wants to take off, then we talk high-end. So I ordered the Too Faced Is My Life, and this is a sample kit. I don't know why, but I'm getting lint all over my stuff. Okay, so this is the Too Faced Is My Life kit. This comes with the Deluxe Better Than Sex Mascara, which I've already tried this mascara and I absolutely love. So I can take this out and put it in a little giveaway for someone else. And then I have the Deluxe Mascara Melt Off Cleansing Oil, which I'm actually excited to try because I always have a hard time taking my mascara off. So yes, we will be utilizing this. Then it's the Deluxe Chocolate Soleil Matte Bronzer, which is this one. And I actually got this sample ready, so I know that I love it. It is really good for contouring. It is a pretty deep color, so you have to go very lightly. It's very pigmented, but I love it. But I already have one, so again, this might go in a giveaway. Then you have the Deluxe Melted Liquefied Matte Longwear Lipstick in the color Sellout, which is this color. This will be the first time that I'm actually trying a Too Faced melted liquefied matte longwear lipstick. So I'm going to keep this and I'm going to try it out. And then the Deluxe Hangover Replenished Face Primer. And I like the face primer. This one is just the hangover one. I had the 3-in-1, the primer, set, and refresh, I guess it was. But I can't wait to use this. So yep, I bought this, and this I believe was $25. And then with that, I got a few samples. But I'm not going to show you all the samples. I'm just going to show the samples all at the same time because I don't remember what I got with that. The next product is something I'm really, really excited about. Actually, Samantha Ravindal. If you guys don't watch her, I will link her channel down below. She actually used this, I believe, not too long ago in one of her videos. I don't believe it was this one. I believe it was the other one, but I rather like this one. And this is the House of Lashes and Sephora collection collab in Versailles. And I was excited to get this because I don't have anything Sephora collection. And this was on sale, I believe, for $35. And it is so pretty. I can't wait because I'm going to put this on display when I have my vanity. Look how beautiful that is. It is gorgeous. Watch. It looks like a little like jewelry box, but when you open it, if I can open it, it actually has a mirror, which is beautiful. And then you can take this beautiful palette out, and it's got some nice berries and blues and gray tones. It's very cool toned. I kind of was intrigued with that because I have so many warm tone palettes. So look how beautiful that is. Oh my god, I'm obsessed. And I just love the packaging, and it's just so pretty. And then it comes with a House of Lashes full size eyelash adhesive. And then I can put my new House of Lashes lashes in here. Isn't it cute? I love it. It's so pretty. And I want to put this on display on my vanity. And it's gorgeous. It's floral and it's got purples and pinks. So yeah. So I also got that. I am, like I told you, I'm all about the samples. So let's put that right here. For samples, I actually got the Away leave-in conditioner. You already saw that in my BoxyCharm. I got the, not my BoxyCharm, in one of my subscription boxes, I believe my Sephora one, I got the volumizing spray. So I got the leave-in conditioner. Then I also got the Sephora cleansing cream in coconut water. Look at that. That was awesome. That was also a sample. And then I got this was super exciting for me. This is the new Makeup Forever Velvet, Matte Velvet Skin 24-hour foundation. And I got a sample. Look at that. I got a sample of that. Yeah. So I will be trying out some of these products very, very soon in the video. And then along with that, I just got like the regular ones. So the ones that I chose for my deluxe samples or whatever maybe. I got the Beauty Blender, Travel Solid Brush Cleaner. Got that. And I got the Tatcha Water Cream. Yes. I actually got 2 of those. Oh, and I got 2. Oh, I got 2 of each. 2 of the water creams, 2 of the the Beauty Blender solids, and then I got 2 of the Living Proof Frizz Control shampoo and conditioner. Yay! So those are the samples that I got from there. And then aside from that, I actually got in from my Ipsy because I really wanted to try this product, but I hadn't had a chance, and I bought this off of with my Ipsy cash from getting like all the points and stuff like that, and I actually got $8 cash back. So that's kind of awesome. They send me a check for $8. I think I paid like $6 for this when it's like a $15 product. This is the Pixie Skin Treatments Glow Mist with propolis and argan oil, which says this is a nourishing mist, hydrant and protector. I've been wanting to try this for so long and I can't wait. So I got that. This is from my Ipsy. I actually ordered that off of my Ipsy website. And then the other item that I got in was this new Velvet Matte Sheer Blotted Liquid Lip from Victoria's Secret in Skinny Dip. This is a new color. The other few items that I bought were just a couple little random items that I bought over at Kohl's. And I actually got all of this stuff on clearance. which is ridiculous because they were like pennies. So you can never have too many beauty blenders or blending sponges, beauty sponges. So I got 2 packs of these, which I got one of these during Christmas time, but I got 2 more as backups. So these were a really great buy. I got them for like $3, I think, or $2.50 each. I mean, it's ridiculous. And these are by EcoTools, and I love EcoTools. Like, my favorite sponge is EcoTools sponge, and it's already broken, and I won't get rid of it. I have to get a replacement, and I haven't got one yet, so I won't let this go until I get the replacement. This is my favorite sponge. The next item I got was a lip mask by the brand Leche, and this is in the color Blushing. I'm not going to open it because I haven't opened it yet. You guys already know that I'm obsessed with Bite Beauty, and I love their lip balm, and I love their lip masks and their lip scrub. But lately, I've been finding Leche lip scrubs, lip masks, lip balms for pretty cheap at Kohl's. So I want to try out their products. They're strictly lips, so I really want to try their products out. So I've been accumulating a couple little things because I want to do a review on it. So I picked that up, and that was also on clearance, I think, for like $4. I got these. These are the Academy of Color. I got 1 metallic and 2 matte lips, and I got these for like $1 something. Yes, I know, but they were on clearance. So I got, these are like lip kits basically, and it's a matte liquid lip and a lip liner, and this is in the color Crush. And then this is also a matte, and this is in the color Mink Pink. It's like a brown kind of color. And then this one is a metallic liquid lip, and this is in the color Cupid's Kiss. And like I said, they're lip kits. They come with a liner and a liquid lip, and I wanted to try them out. And they were pennies on the dollar, so yes, I bought those as well. And that's pretty much my most recent haul. I know, have to stop buying makeup, but I can't. I am obsessed, and I never buy anything full product. I mean, I never buy anything full price. I try to buy everything with coupons, discounts, any kind of codes, as much as I can get off. I'm gonna get off of the price. I try not to buy anything full price. I don't think I've bought anything full price as of yet. Anything I buy in Walgreens, my sister works there, so I get a discount. Anything I buy at Kohl's, I get a discount on, and I buy on clearance. Anything that I buy at Ulta, I use my points. And I usually buy things sample size if I can't buy a full-size product to try it out, or I buy it drugstore side, buy 1 get 1 half off, buy 1 get 1 50 free, whatever is the sale that's going on. That's usually when I buy it, or if they have hot deals, that's what I buy. If I buy at Sephora, I make sure that I definitely, if I'm buying online, I look at the clearance section. I look at any deals that they're going on. They have like the weekly wows, I believe it is. And I definitely check those out. And then anything else that I purchase from Sephora is usually discounted. Or I use like my points, or I get some free product that way, or I get samples. I really try not to buy anything full price. Any of the websites that I have, ColourPop and all that stuff. Oh, I didn't show you guys my ColourPop stuff. Hold on. If you guys were just tuning in to see the rest of my ColourPop stuff, then I'm sorry. But yes, I got the last items to the Zodiac collection, which is the 2 Super Shock highlighters. And this is on Fire, and this is On the Cusp. And they're really pretty. I think I will be using this one a lot more. We'll see. I got those 2, and I love the packaging. I love the packaging. And then I got 3 of their Supernova shadows. I actually got 2 of the color Constellation because I'm obsessed with that color. It is a really pretty, like, pinky champagne color. Let me show you. The Look at that. It's not like a rose gold. It's like maybe a little bit lighter than a rose gold. But I got two of them. This one, this one. Oh my god. I'm obsessed. I can't wait to play with this. So, yes. I got that. And then the other color I got was Astrology, which is that really vibrant, like yellowy, goldy, mustardy kind of color. Intriguing. So yes, so I got that to complete my beautiful collection, because you guys know that I'm all about Captain Lights. So that is part of my Zodiac collection. Now with ColourPop is super reasonable. So I try to just spend $30 at a time, because when you hit $30, it's free shipping. So I try to buy my orders in $30 increments or $35 increments, unless for some reason it's something that I absolutely wanted. Like I wanted to get the PR package for this Zodiac collection because it was so pretty, but I couldn't afford it, so I had to just buy what I can, and it sold out so quickly that I couldn't even buy it if I wanted to. I believe that was it, I want to say. But yeah, I know I already have so much makeup. Why do I continue buying makeup? Because I am a makeup obsessed mommy, and I just love makeup and trying new things. Yeah, I mean, when there's good deals, you can't pass them up, and I see the good deals and I grab them. But yeah, and that completes this video. If you guys enjoyed watching my little bit of a new makeup that's going into my collection, then please like this video and give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel obviously, and hit the notification bell so that you can get notified every time I upload videos, which is on Mondays, Thursdays, and Saturdays. And yeah, thanks so much for hanging out with me and letting me open up and show you the things that I buy and how I buy it and why I buy it. And yeah, thank you. And I will see you beauties all in my next video. Bye.